When it comes to roof replacement in Madison Heights, one of the most significant factors that homeowners and contractors alike must consider is the weather. The conditions in which your roof replacement takes place can significantly impact the project's timeline, cost, and quality. Whether you're looking to replace a roof due to age, damage, or other reasons, understanding how the weather in Madison Heights influences the process can help you make more informed decisions and ensure a smoother experience. The impact of temperature on roof replacement. Temperature plays a crucial role in roof installation, particularly when it comes to materials like asphalt shingles, which are commonly used for roofing in Madison Heights. Asphalt shingles must be installed within specific temperature ranges for optimal adhesion and durability. Extreme cold, for instance, can cause shingles to become brittle and more difficult to work with, making installation trickier. On the other hand, very hot temperatures can cause the shingles to soften, which may lead to improper sealing or even early wear and tear. The ideal temperature for roof installation is between 45 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. During the summer months in Madison Heights, high temperatures can make it more challenging to work with roofing materials, but experienced contractors are equipped to handle such conditions. In contrast, winter weather can delay projects, as snow, ice, or below freezing temperatures prevent safe and effective roof installation. As a result, spring and fall are often the most favorable seasons for roof replacement, providing a balance of mild temperatures and fewer weather-related disruptions. Rain and roof replacement. Rain can have a significant impact on roof replacement projects in Madison Heights. Not only does rain make working conditions unsafe for roofing contractors, but it also poses a risk to the integrity of the roofing materials. Wet conditions can cause shingles and other materials to warp, becoming harder to install. Moreover, water can damage the underlayment of your roof, making it difficult to ensure that the roof replacement is performed correctly. If your roof replacement begins but is interrupted by rain, contractors will need to take extra precautions to protect your home's interior from water infiltration. In some cases, delays caused by rain could extend the project timeline, potentially leading to additional costs. Contractors will often reschedule work for a dry day to avoid complications, but it's essential to plan for such delays when scheduling your roof replacement. Snow and ice challenges. Madison Heights, like many other areas in Michigan, experiences harsh winter weather. Snow and ice can pose additional challenges when replacing a roof. Not only can snow accumulate on your existing roof, making it unsafe for contractors to work, but ice damming can occur on your home's roof. This can prevent water from draining properly, causing leaks and other issues that could worsen over time. If you are replacing a roof during winter, ice and snow buildup can cause delays in the installation process. Often, it may be necessary to remove the snow before the roof can be replaced, which adds to the cost and timeline of the project. Additionally, roofing materials are more vulnerable in extreme cold, which can make the installation process more difficult and lead to suboptimal results if not handled properly. Wind considerations in Madison Heights. Windy conditions can also complicate roof replacement in Madison Heights. High winds can make it unsafe for workers to handle materials, and they may cause damage to the roof as it's being replaced. Moreover, roofing materials such as shingles, underlayment, and flashing are highly susceptible to being blown off by strong winds if not properly secured. When wind gusts are strong, roofing contractors will need to take extra care to prevent materials from becoming airborne and causing damage to your property or the surrounding area. Additionally, excessive winds may delay the roof replacement process or result in contractors needing to stop work altogether until conditions improve. Homeowners should keep this in mind when scheduling their roofing project. How to minimize weather-related issues. To minimize the impact of weather on your roof replacement project, it's essential to work with an experienced roofing contractor familiar with the weather conditions in Madison Heights. Seasonally timing the project to avoid extreme temperatures, heavy rains, snow, and high winds is key to ensuring a smooth process. In addition, experienced contractors will have strategies for mitigating weather-related risks and completing the job on time. Finally, regular roof maintenance throughout the year can help identify potential issues before they become larger, more expensive problems. By addressing minor issues early on, you can prolong the lifespan of your roof, reducing the need for premature replacements that might coincide with challenging weather conditions. In conclusion, the weather in Madison Heights can significantly influence the timeline, cost, and quality of a roof replacement project. Understanding how temperature, rain, snow, ice, and wind affect the process will help you prepare for potential delays and ensure that your new roof is installed correctly. By partnering with a skilled roofing contractor who knows how to navigate the local climate, you can minimize disruptions and get your roof replacement completed to your satisfaction.